Hello everybody, my name is Dean and today I'm going to barbecue a chicken breast. What I always do is I take a couple of spoons of olive oil here. There's one. Here's number two. And just kind of completely cover the breast in the olive oil. That keeps it nice and moist. I'll wash my hands here real quick. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some seasoning. This is called Montreal chicken seasoning. I like this stuff. Get it on the top and on the back, bottom side of the breast. Looks good. And then what we're going to do is take it out to the preheated barbecue. Okay, as I said, I've preheated the barbecue right now. Going to set that on the grill. We're going to do that for about 3 minutes with the heat up on full. Okay, everybody, it's been just about 3 minutes. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn the barbecue settings a little bit lower, turn the middle one off, set all these for low, and then I'm going to open the queue for just a minute here. I'm going to flip that over, and then I'm going to use my little cheater here. This is my thermometer, and we're going to cook it till it's about 165 to 170. Okay, everyone. The barbecue's been going for a while now at about 350 degrees. The indicator just came on the thermometer indicating it's showing to be 165 degrees on the breast. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to take the sensor out. I'm going to put it in another spot because sometimes these don't always cook evenly. And of course with chicken we want to be careful. And see, yeah, it's showing 165 degrees in that particular spot. So we'll let it cook for just a little bit more here. Okay, it's been a few more minutes here. Doing our second temperature check. Looks like we're still holding at about 350 degrees here on the grill. The thermometer just hit 165. I'm going to give it probably another couple more degrees just to be on the safe side, to make sure the breast is really cooked well. Okay, looks like we're right about 167 right now. So we should be good to go. Grab my little plate here, put that on there. Looks good here. That's the finished result right here. Came out pretty good, like it should always. Gonna flip it over, look at it there. Should be nice and tender inside. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it nice and soft and tender. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfecto. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you later.